Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna make that when you press and unlock the skill, level it up, the rest of skills after get unlocked, you can level them up as well. Okay. Just to let you know, if you got any suggestion from me, so I can make things different way, better way, if you got like some better way I can do things, please let me know in the comment. Or if you got any question also, please let me know in the comment. And also, if you like the videos and you wanna see all of them, the new videos, different tutorials in future, maybe about different things, not only skill tree, please leave subscription. Okay, to start, we're gonna open our structure skill tree, and we're gonna add, add variable, and we're gonna add a child. It's gonna be name. We are gonna add two more, child 2, child 3. So it depends. So sometimes when you, for example, same like you got, let me show you. So you may have 3 different child to unlock. You may need 3, maybe 4 if you want. I don't know, up to you, up to your design. But for example, here you see I got, after this skill unlock, I got 1, 2, and 3 to go. So I'm gonna put 3 for me. You can put 2, 4. It's all up to you. Okay, so we got child 2, child 3. Yeah. Next, we're gonna open our component, skill tree component. We're gonna, where is it? Unlock skill. We're gonna duplicate it and we're gonna name it unlock child skill. I'm gonna name it like that. Okay, and what we're gonna change? We're gonna change few things here. Okay, so we're gonna make sure we don't add level here, because we're not gonna add level, we're just gonna unlock it. So we need to make sure it's unlocked. And also we need to connect all these childs. We do like this, and this. And also in unlock skill, you just need to connect all the child. I believe you have to connect. I'm not 100% sure if you have to connect it. Is it gonna change value or not? If I leave it blank, you shouldn't actually change it. But obviously I'm connecting it, so the ID it's the same. Make it the same, but maybe you don't have to. Let me know in the comments, someone, if I have to connect it or not really. Does it make difference? Okay, so next we got both of them done. So what we have to do now, we have to set them up. Okay, so we got our 3 skills for now. Okay, so we got agility 2 and portion 1. I believe is that section here. We got portion 1. So we got 2 child, vitality 1. So first child vitality 1, and the second child is agility 3. And the third child is set as none. I wouldn't leave it as none, because later on when you're gonna test it and you see as this one is set as none, if you haven't set it yet, it's gonna crash, because it's gonna be an infinite loop. It's not gonna happen when you're unlocking it, but once we get to the reset and we do reset, because you unlock only child, but when you reset you go through the whole branch, and that's where it's crash. Obviously, once you set every ID, then it's not a problem. But once we testing it and we don't have all skills set up, that can make problems. So you can just set it as no, maybe. I don't know, anything you want. Okay, so we got this. It's gonna unlock that and that, yeah? Okay, I'm just gonna set it up this one for now, just to show you. Obviously, if I'm setting up agility, agility's got agility 2. So in agility, we set up agility 2. And in agility 2, we're gonna have portion 2, vitality 2, and that didn't set it up. So let's make portion 3. And if it's 3, I think it's the third one we got, yeah? So let's do it. Boom. That's the third child. Boom, unlock. Okay, and that should work. Next thing, what we have to do, we're gonna go to our bottom. We go back to UI and skill slot. Where is it? Skill slot. What you wanna do in skill slot is open unlock skill. Because we got unlock skill, we're gonna have all our new child on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do exactly same like with the. We're gonna do exactly same like with our skill. We're gonna put our unlock child skill. I'm gonna do it 3 times just to check for every child. Then you can just connect. I'm just gonna connect like that. Okay, and once you connect it, target, yeah. You can do as. I'm gonna make it a little bit nicer. Yeah, let's do like that. That's all set. Okay. That's all set. The thing those should work now. No, it doesn't. Okay, so the problem was I didn't add everything to array. I didn't add all the skills. That's why I couldn't unlock them. But now when you look, 1, 2, 3. I can add 3 points here. I can add 1 point here. I can even add here. And same on this 3. I can add 1 each. And it's work. So yeah, that's how we unlock. That's how we unlock the child. Yeah, as many as you want. As I said, you can do 5 if you want. Yeah, if your game need a 5, you do 5 or 2. You just need to do all the child. Let me know if there's a better way. Then just putting like child 1, child 2, child 3 is a better way to do it. I found this way. As long as it's 3 child, it's not that big deal for me. So yeah, in next episode, I will show you how to make that smaller. Obviously, if you got whole skill tree, 100 skills, you don't have 100 skills here. I show you quickly way to make more containers. Maybe fast video, short video, very easy to do it. That's what I'm gonna do next video. And for now, I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.